Hi, this is Dr. Bobby Braille, and today we're going to talk about how to cut and paste from a Word document into a page on your website. So here we have a sample website with a very nice picture, and up at the top here we have a menu item that I've created called Special Events, which if you click on it goes to a special event page, which right now has nothing on it but the word hello. So there are videos that we have that tell you how to create the pages and how to create the menu items. We won't be dealing with that today. Today we're going to be dealing with how to actually place things on that page that you've created, specifically from like a Word document, because there are certain considerations you should know. So here we have our Word document. It is a flyer, I guess, we've created about Santa is coming. Now I know a picture on the beach and Santa just don't seem to go together, but at some point you'll have to do this. So here we have a picture flyer that we've created that we hang around the office about Santa coming to the office, and a nice picture of Santa on the flyer. Now, we can't just take this Word document and place it on the website. We could as a link, but that would be not helpful. So let's see how we can do this, shall we? And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the page itself. We know it's going to be Special Events. We click on it, and there it just says hello. And we're going to log into our Now You Know Central account for this sample website. And here is the first page that you get when you log in. Now, the first thing that you want to do is click on Website right here. And up will come a menu item for all different types of things on the website. Well, what we want to do is manage website pages. Now, we've already created that page, and I happen to know that the name of that page that I created is called Santa. So I'm going to click on S, and there is Santa, the page that I created for special events. You could name it whatever you want when you create a page. If I click on that, we're now up to the editing page, and here you see the word hello. So I'm going to just highlight and delete that, and just get rid of that for a second. And what I'm going to do is go bring up my Word document again, and I'm going to highlight and copy all of this. Okay. Now, this does not work. So when I show you this and I go to paste it in here, in fact, you really can't just go with a paste. I have to go with a Control V to paste. It asks me up at the top here, all right, it looks like I'm copying from Word. Do you want to clean it before pasting? Well, let's say cancel, meaning no. And it pastes it, and it looks like it works. Except that's not really a great document. I mean, we can see some code here, and the picture didn't come out because the picture is on the Word document. It's not where it needs to be. But I'm going to go submit and make these changes just like that. And then I'm going to go back to this page and refresh and see what happened. And as we can see here, that don't look so good. I mean, that's not exactly what I want, and the formatting is not good, and it's not good. All right, we're going to go back to that page. Again, it was called Santa. Hit Santa. Now, if you ever want to erase, now look, it doesn't even look right here. If you ever want to truly erase everything that's on a page, I recommend that you click on Source Code, and then you can highlight everything that's there and hit the delete button. This removes all formatting, all text, all everything. So when I go back here, there's absolutely nothing there. Okay, now one of the ways you could do it is to take this document that you've created here and turn it into a picture and then put that picture up there. And that's pretty easy. It may not be the best way to do it, but let's do that. So let's say that I've taken that Word document and turned it into a picture. Well, now I need to upload that picture. So I'm going to go insert. First of all, I'm going to go, I want a picture right here. I'm going to hit the insert the picture button, browse the server. Now the picture is not in my server, so I have to go get it, upload it into the server. I click on upload, it choose the file. Now it's going to choose it from my computer, and there's the picture I want, right there, the Santa flyer. All right, now it would be whatever directory you placed it into. So I'm going to double click on that, and it uploads it, and there it is. Now if I double click on that picture, it puts it into the document, and I should always add an alternative text when I upload a picture. Santa at my clinic in, and I'd put a town in there. All right, because that helps with the search engines. And let's see, they want me to capitalize Santa. So I would say OK, and there it is. So now if I save this by submitting, and I go back to that page that we didn't like, and I refresh that page, I've now got the picture with the Christmas party. Now that's pretty good, but it is one image. It's not like it's text and, it's one big picture, which may work for certain applications, so you can certainly do this. But maybe that's not what we want to do. So we're going to go over here again, go to Santa, the page. And once again, I'm going to go to the source code, and I'm going to wipe it all out like that so I know it's absolutely clean. Okay, now, the really proper way to put in text and pictures is to do it separately and format it right here in the editor. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and highlight everything here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to the editor. But now if you look over here, you see this little paste from Word. So I'm going to click on that. And now I can go, okay, Control V as it says, and paste it into here. Now if I say OK, it puts everything up without the formatting, but it puts it up in such a way that it's laid out properly. So now I can format it and add colors and things. Now with formatting, what I recommend you do is you can change the size and the font and the color, but I like to change over here the heading style like that. And what that does is it means anytime I change the website, it automatically follows the style of the website. Now, I'm not going to do this on this particular Christmas one because I actually do want it in red and bigger. So I'm going to go size and give it a nice big size here, 48. Right? In fact, now I don't want to do that either. I'm going to undo it right here. Santa is coming. I'm going to hit enter and do that. And then, there we go. I'm just going to format a little bit like you would format in a Word document. Now, if I go font, I'm going to pick Veranda. In fact, I'm going to make the whole thing here Veranda. I like that font. And Santa, we're going to make Santa very big. Let's do 48 for Santa. Let's make Santa red. And let's make all of this bigger. 28. And let's make it green's another, let's go with green, another good Santa color. And I'm going to make this really big as well, 48. And I'm going to make that also red. Okay, so now I've got this kind of a nice thing here. In fact, I'm going to make these a little bit bigger. Not much, just enough. I don't want it quite that much. Let's go 24. That's nice and big. All right, now all we're missing here is the picture of Santa. So I want the picture to appear on the right-hand side over here. What I'm going to do is click at the top left of where I want the picture to be if I want it on the right. And now I'm going to use this button to place a picture in place. And I'm going to hit on Image. And I'm going to do Browse the Server. And in this one, I also don't have that Santa picture. I have the whole flyer, but I just want the picture of Santa, which I've saved previously. So I'm going to hit Upload, choose a file. There's Santa. So I'm going to double-click it or click on it and do Open. Now Santa's right there. Now I double-click Santa. Santa appears here. Now over here are some important things. The alternate text. And this would be Santa, again, at my clinic, whatever you want to put in there. But I would put something that the search engines would look for. Now, I don't want a border on it, but H space horizontal and V space vertical space means space from the text. Well, I do want some spacing there so the text doesn't go right on top of it. A good number to pick for both of these is 6. Nice space, looks good. Alignment, I'm going to align it on the right because remember I said it on the, I want it on the right-hand side. And now I'm going to say OK. Well, that looks pretty good, except, you know what? It kind of sticks down lower. So I'm going to go hit the back, get rid of it. I'm going to come right to next to the top and do it again. Browse server. Go get the Santa picture. All right, I'm going to say 6 and 6. And once again, align it to the right. And that's a little bit better. I probably could have put it up one even higher. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of it again. Go right to the top. Picture. Browse server. Santa. Now, by the way, I can change Santa's size as well. So let's go 6 and 6. Alignment set to the right. But I did want a big picture. In fact, that fits pretty well. Okay? So now, in fact, what I can do is add spacing here just by entering things. Let's see, we might do that. I might go like this and just add one space, which spaces it out. Now it seems to fit very nicely there. And now I'll go submit. And I'm going to go back to that page and see what it looks like. There we go. Now that's actually pretty nice. I like the way that lays out. Nice pictures, nice description. I could make any changes I want to it. But now I've got under special events, right, the text formatted properly and the Santa picture. You see, one of the things you want to do is not just paste directly from other websites or from the Word document itself, especially pictures because they won't come over. You have to upload pictures separately. But when you paste directly from something else, you're bringing with it the formatting. And the best way to do it is to never bring the formatting with you, but to actually create your own formatting, which makes it work better on your website. And here, if we go in here and we wanted to paste, we can either paste using this paste from Word or paste plain text, meaning whatever you put into the little box that would come up would then be pasted into here as plain text. So whichever you want to use will work just fine. And this way you created a nice document into your website with formatting that's not real cumbersome, and you could change it any way you want. So I hope this helps out for your cut and paste into your Now You Know website documents. Have a wonderful day.